I'm challenging you to eat this specific food for 7 days straight and see how it impacts your liver health. Today, I want to talk about a superfood that's going to change the game for your liver health. Many of us struggle with liver health issues, whether it's fatigue, bloating, or digestive problems. But the good news is that diet plays a crucial role in addressing these problems. By making small changes to what we eat, we can see significant improvements in our health. The liver is an incredible organ that can regenerate and heal itself, but it needs our support. Liver disease is on the rise, and it's estimated that 1 in 5 people will suffer from a liver-related issue at some point in their lives. Fatty liver disease, in particular, is becoming more common, and it's often linked to poor diet and lifestyle choices. By incorporating foods that support liver health, we can reduce our risk of developing these conditions. A healthy liver is essential for detoxification, energy production, and overall well-being. It's responsible for filtering toxins out of our blood, regulating blood sugar levels, and producing bile to aid digestion. But when our liver is struggling, we can experience a range of symptoms, from brain fog and fatigue to skin issues and mood swings. Chia seeds are an incredible food for liver health, and today I want to dive deeper into their benefits. These tiny seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, which all support liver function. The fiber in chia seeds helps to remove toxins and excess bile from the body, while the omega-3s reduce inflammation and promote healing. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. They're also a great source of manganese, a mineral that plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. And because chia seeds are so high in fiber, they can help to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. I want to share a story with you about someone who experienced incredible benefits from incorporating chia seeds into their diet. Sarah had been struggling with fatty liver disease for years, and she was desperate for a solution. She started eating chia seeds every day, and within a week, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and digestion. After a month, her liver enzyme levels had returned to normal, and she felt like a new person. Sarah's story is just one example of the incredible benefits of chia seeds for liver health. By incorporating this food into your diet, you can expect to see improvements in your energy levels, digestion, and overall health. And the best part is, it's easy to add chia seeds to your diet. Simply sprinkle them on your oatmeal or yogurt, or mix them into a smoothie. In conclusion, I want to remind you that taking care of your liver health is crucial for your overall well-being. By incorporating foods like chia seeds into your diet, you can see significant improvements in your health. So, I challenge you, eat chia seeds for 7 days straight and see how it impacts your liver health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about your own experiences with chia seeds or liver health. If you want to learn more about liver health and nutrition, check out my video on the top liver-friendly foods you should be eating.